Hi all, welcome back. This is Faram. In this episode, we will see what is a data source. Okay, in Grafana, we can we have to configure the data source. Data source is kind of database connection or connection with the actual data source. Okay, so while creating data source, in fact, creating data source is kind of administrative task. Okay, each developer no needed to configure data source, so it is a one time task. As per the requirement, we come to know what are the data source we are supposed to pull data and show the dashboard. Okay, so in the case, uh, so that's why all the data sources has to be created by the admin. In fact, we need admin rights to create. Okay, fine. There are 155, almost, not exactly, but 155 plus data sources are there. Some of the data sources supported by the Grafana. Okay, so each data source is come with three things. One is plugin, query editor, visualization support, and alerting purpose. Okay, so these are the three steps we have. Maybe some of the things may be optional, but it has to be. These are the part of the data source plugins. Okay, because of each data source have its own query language. If it is Oracle, the query language is different. If it is Elasticsearch, that query language will be different, right? If it's a Loki, or Prometheus, then its query language is different. That's why query editor has to comes with the data source plugin. Okay, fine. So data sources, a couple of data sources are comes by the Grafana instance itself. Let it be a open source or let it be a enterprise. Okay, so some of the data source they call as a built-in data source or core data source, or they are created by the Grafana labs. Okay, so all those data sources comes with the Grafana instance itself. In your use case, you are going to use only those set of built-in data source. You no need to bother about install plugin, all the stuffs. Okay, straight away you can create data source and start creating dashboard and panel settings. Okay, fine. Now, if it is not there, we have to go with three options. Either commercial plugin, for example, if it is Oracle or Dynatrace or Splunk. Okay, those are commercial plugins. Okay, so in that case, those commercial plugin can be installed only on enterprise edition. Okay, or else we can write our own plugin to create our own data source, but I don't think that is, because very simple. It's require effort, it's require investment. Okay, it's require programming proficiency. Okay, all those things are there. Okay, so in that case, if it is really customer ready to pay all the stuff, ready to put effort, then they can write their own plugins. Okay, I have not written any plugins, but I have gone through some of the things. Based on that, my understanding is plugins can be written in Go language or Node.js. Okay, Node.js means JavaScript. Okay, fine. Now, what are the built-in data sources or comes? Okay, so almost 35 plus comes within the Grafana. Okay, I just categorized it. Okay, based on my understanding, I just categorized it. Let's go here. NoSQL, Elasticsearch, MongoDB, Redis. These are so far these data source Grafana provide free plugins. Okay, or built-in plugin we can get. So these are the NoSQL DB. Okay, similarly tools. Okay, okay, it's not like all the plugins, but you could see some of the plugins are free. You could see that these are free. But if you want to get data from these tools, you have to pay. That in the times you have to have enterprise license. Okay, but these are the tools. It is not complete list. Okay, don't bother about it. I just created whatever the tools I am familiar or I have came across. Okay, so these are the tools, and In fact, API, we can pull data through API that return the JSONs. Infinity is one of the plugin, open source plugin. It can be installed in open source itself. Okay, so you can use that. Then about that RDBMs. Okay, of course these are the database it support for MySQL, Postgres, MS SQL is free, but Oracle it is cost, it is you have to pay. But there may be some other database as well. Okay, RDBMs as well. Time series DB. Yes, here you can see InfluxDB, Grafana. In fact, what is that? Open TSDB. Okay, and then what is it? Graphite. These are the things also it support some of the time series database. Okay. In above all, test data. Okay, whenever you installed Grafana instance, it comes with the test data. Okay, that means you don't need to bother about that creating connection with those tools and up and running all the connection details, access everything. Okay, straight away you can use you can create test data, say test data source, then you can start creating dashboard and whatever you need. Okay, so it comes with Grafana itself, so no need any extra installation or anything. Straight away if you want to explore something, test data is enough. Okay, that's all about the data source. Okay, in upcoming video we will see how we can leverage this data source while creating dashboards. Thank you, thanks for watching.